Surfer Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Surfer Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about the Surfer Affiliate Program, including its features and how you can benefit from promoting it. Don't forget to check out the links in the description if you're interested in getting started. Surfer is an advanced SEO tool that focuses on-page optimization, providing users with the insights they need to improve rankings and increase organic traffic. It's known for its data-driven approach, offering features like content audit, keyword research, SERP analysis, and the ability to create SEO-optimized content with its content editor. Surfer also offers an AI-powered tool for writing SEO-focused content and analyzing competitor strategies, making it a go-to platform for marketers, content creators, and SEO experts alike. Now, let's dive into the Surfer Affiliate Program. This program is perfect for anyone looking to promote a powerful SEO tool to their audience. Whether you're in the SEO, content marketing, or affiliate marketing space, Surfer provides an excellent opportunity to earn commissions by promoting a tool that's proven to increase rankings and drive traffic. The affiliate program is hosted through PartnerStack, which makes it easy to track referrals and commissions. You can earn recurring commissions, which means you'll continue earning a percentage of your referrals payments as long as they remain subscribed to Surfer. This creates a long-term income opportunity as you refer more people to the platform. Surfer also offers generous commission rates and provides affiliates with marketing materials such as banners, links, and ready-to-use landing pages, which will make it easy for you to get started. What makes the Surfer Affiliate Program stand out is that Surfer is a premium, highly rated tool with a strong customer base. Its features are cutting edge and appeal to businesses, digital marketers, and SEO professionals, meaning your referrals will likely see tangible results, which will only make them more likely to stick around and keep their subscriptions active. This leads to more recurring income for you as an affiliate. In conclusion, the Surfer Affiliate Program is a fantastic way to earn passive income while promoting a tool that provides real value. With recurring commissions, a powerful platform that marketers love, and great affiliate support, this is a solid affiliate program to consider. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, check out the links in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.